Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing good. So, as you have read the title, today's video is going to be recreating my childhood pictures. So, like most of us would have come across our childhood pictures in this lockdown, and that's what I did. And I was totally surprised and shook how I used to look like. I look totally different. My skin tone, my hair, everything was different. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started with the video. So the first picture, so the first picture I recreated was not taken in my home. It was taken in Chowkidani, so it was not taken here in Delhi. So I didn't have the same background like the Rajasthani thing. I will insert a picture of that here. So I didn't have the same background, but I tried as much as I could, like as tropical tribal as I could. So like if you could see at the back, these kind of thing, there's more like in my house. So that is where I clicked the picture, and here's the old picture and here's the new one. So that's it. Like I had the outfit, like it's a sleeveless top which I wore and with the hairband, which is good. So this was pretty easy for me and I really loved the outcome. So that is the first picture. Also in the first picture I used to have like a boy cut, like which boys used to have. So like when I was like 3 to 4 year old, I used to have that kind of hair. So in that was there. So what I did was I tied my hair back and loosened it up so that it could give an illusion of shorter hair. That's what I did, and that is how I get a little shorter hair, because I now have a long hair. For the second picture, it wasn't taken in Delhi, it was taken in Bangalore, I guess, and it was hotel room. And yeah, me my brother was sitting, and I didn't included my brother in this picture. So if you see that, it looks like a blue dress, but it was originally a green dress. My mom just told me so. But even I don't have a light blue dress like this. I have a lace one, but I don't wanted to wear that, so I wore like a something sort of that sleeve in a darker bluish shade, and that is what I could do. And I was sitting lying on my bedroom and took that picture. So here's the picture, the old picture, and here's the new one on your screen. So I really love this picture, how it came. Like I was smiling, and mostly like in the first picture I wasn't smiling, it was like very bad, but I don't know, but I love this picture a lot and I recreated it very nicely according to me. So for the third picture, I was sitting in my home. It is in my bedroom, and actually I had a toy, so I can't have the same toy. I don't even own any toy, but I used my teddy bear as a prop, and I'm wearing a full pink outfit. So here's the BTS of the shooting thing. You could see that here to that what was mental state at that time. Hey guys, so disclaimer right here, I'm shooting it right now, that my outfit is not the same. This is the most pinkish thing I have and own in my closet, and that's it. And also this is the area where the picture was taken. The background is a little changed, but here it was taken in my home. So yeah, and I don't even have the same toy, but I'm using this toy which is my favorite. So that is it. I could recreate this the most, and yeah, like according to me the picture came out okay. It wasn't the best. I feel like I could have done better, but I can't, like simply no hair, okay, and I can't do that. And even I'm wearing so much pink, I don't own this much, so I tried my best. So you could see the picture on your screen. Fourth picture is like my favorite, and I have this picture of it, and like look at my hair now. It's natural and it's straight, but there was a time I used to have curly hair like this, if you could see. So that I used to have, and I tried my hair curling, and I'm gonna insert a clip here. You could listen to that. Hey guys, so disclaimer, I tried curling my hair, and like I could do this much, and it's very wavy in the photo and the picture, but I couldn't recreate that much. But this is what I was able to do. That's my disclaimer. And even look at my efforts, guys. Like I just wore like my mom's top. I didn't own something like that, and I borrowed from her. And yeah, and please stand by, because it's not going to be similar. I don't have the same outfit, the same hair. Like my hair used to be so nice and wavy and curled, but now it's like jharu. But you have to stand by. The picture came out really good. I didn't ask anyone for help and I did with my tripod, and yeah, the picture came out very well. And the last picture was taken in my drawing room of the house, and like I was tiny, so like this is when I am like shooting this, it's in front of that, and I thought of sitting down and taking a picture because I'm tall enough, so I can't recreate that, but I was short enough, so it looks like I am sitting now. So I am sitting and taking the picture, and I had a white top, that's what is visible, and I'm playing, and yeah, I took a picture right here while sitting. That time I was standing. Not the most favorite one, because also in this I didn't have that much hair, but I did recreate it. But the best one according to me was this one. I love this, and the first picture, which is this one, like this pose is so trending. Like the first one, I feel the way I'm putting like the serious face and my both of my hands over my face, it's very trending and I love that. And the pink one, the curly hair one, are my favorite. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and have a good day, stay safe, and yeah, bye guys.